Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says find square root of the form this. So, the square root should be of the form this for matrix this. So, it is the square root of this matrix. So, can I say that, sir, if we will multiply 0a 0 two times 0a a0, we will get minus 2 0 0 minus 2. Just tell me, if this is square root, this means if we will multiply this thing twice, we will get this, correct na? So let's multiply. So if you will multiply, you have to multiply this with this to get the first element. So 0 with 0 0 plus a with a square, correct? Then this with this, so it is 0. Then we have this with this, so it is 0, and then this with this, so it is a square. Minus 2 0 0 minus 2. Can I say that, sir, a square will be equal to minus 2? You know that there is no real number a for which square will become negative. So can I write down this thing as 2 times iota square, because iota square is minus 1. Now, can I write a as plus or minus root 2 iota? So we got value of a and we got corresponding square root of this form. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.